Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna be taking off my makeup using whipped cream. I did the zombie look using a full face of NYX Cosmetics. Every product that I used is shoppable through Walmart.com and the link on my TikTok profile. Just hit the shopping bag icon and all the products will be there. And now, for the whipped cream. If you guys are wondering, wow Sid, why are you taking off your makeup with whipped cream? During the live, you guys picked dares for the loser to do, and unfortunately, I had to spin the wheel, and this is what I gotta do. Yummy! Let's get some straight from the bottle. Oh, right there. This feels wrong. But does whipped cream work as a cleanser? Get the neck. Tell me why that's kind of working. Whipped cream is not a good cleanser, but NYX Cosmetics is a good makeup line, so go check them out. Take off my makeup with me. Snow White edition. My little bow. Snatch. Grab that. Ooh. Let's give her a good little wipe. This took me so freaking long. Now the fun part. I have a premiere to go to in 20 minutes that I'm not ready for. It's up my nose. I should have just went like this. Why does my eyebrow always stay so crusty? I'm gonna go wash my face. Take off my makeup with me, Baby Yoda edition. Let's get this stuff off. Oh my gosh. Let me take these contacts out. Let's get this bald cap off. This is a look right here. Oh wow. Let's try and wipe it off. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get these lashes off. This is bad. Oh no. I'm gonna try to get the CD. The neck is always the worst part. Now I'm gonna rub some of this in. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Darts edition. Let's get these contacts out. Get these lashes off. This should be fun. Let's try to get out the bottom. Let's get the neck. Ah! Now I'm gonna start wiping this off. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. Let me take this wig off. I literally have sprinkles all over my floor. I don't really know the best way to do this. These are gonna be everywhere. This is not gonna be fun to clean up. Let's get the other side. Ow, why does that kind of hurt? They're stuck in my eyebrow. Get these fat lashes. Ow. Let's see if I can get this paint off of me. There's a lot going on with this eyebrow right now. Oh. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, ice emoji edition. I have not said that in a long time. This wig is literally so itchy. I'm gonna take this scarf off. I really like these white eyelashes. Ow. Okay, this is probably gonna hurt. Ow. This one is literally up my nose. Ooh. I also made these blisters with latex. Ow. Now I'm gonna start wiping. Now the contacts. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, 1 million followers edition. I'm gonna take off these gems. Oh my gosh. I'm getting emotional. Stop, stop, stop. This is a comedy channel. Ah! Oh my god. Stuck, stuck. Well, thank you guys so much for always following and supporting. It literally means the world to me. And I mean it, like I literally would not be where I am today without you guys. And now I'm gonna take off my makeup. Next time, it'll be a 2. Let's try not to blind myself today with glitter. Ooh. I like actually can't get these bottom eyelashes off. I'm just gonna go shower. Thank you again so much. Get unready with me, Rainbow Special Effects Edition. Let's see. Gotta get the forehead. Cute! I'm gonna take some makeup melt. I'm gonna rub that in. Now I'm taking my makeup towel. Thanks for watching! Take off my makeup with me, Zombie Minion Edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh god. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me, Ice Miser, Heat Miser Edition. First, I gotta get rid of these contacts. Now I'm taking off the lashes. I painted this one white myself because I didn't know if you're supposed to buy them white or if you can paint them, so I just painted it. I don't exactly know how the best way to do this is, so I'm just gonna go in. I'm literally gray. Why? Why is this happening to me? I don't know how I'm gonna get this paint off my ears, and I put literally acrylic paint in my hair. I don't think that's safe. If this isn't commitment to good quality, I don't know what is. 1 like equals 1 prayer. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Scary Toothy Person Edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the Tooth Fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Scary Puppet Doll Edition. Gotta get rid of these contacts, because oh wow, I literally can't see. Okay, I'm so over these pigtails. Gotta get these fat lashes. Here we go. Oof. Gonna get the other side. The other side, the other side, the other side of me. Oof. The lips. Alright guys, it's all off and my skin is looking flawless underneath. So I'm gonna go. But thanks for watching.